There was already a coroner's report that stated clearly what he'd passed away from, and they wanted me to go back and live through all that again. So I thought, this is awful.
In 2021, your partner Russell passed away. Just tell me about what impact that had on you and how hard it was.
It was a shocking time because we also had COVID lockdowns. He'd been sick for some time. There was communication sent to him, unfortunately unopened still, even after he passed. So his insurance had expired 17 or 18 days before he actually died, and he'd been in the fund for 26 years. I was on his account as nominee and someone who was in contact for his super fund, so why didn't they just take that extra step and contact me?
And what did they say to that?
No, we did all we had to do. The onus is on the member to opt in if they wanted to keep their insurance cover under their membership as legislated. Unfortunately, we are not privy to members' personal circumstances and or their intentions.
And how does that make you feel when you read that?
I was really angry. There was still correspondence in the letterbox after he died when I came home.
He was just too sick at the time.
Yes, yeah. I think there just needs to be a bit more account management, and particularly in the area of death claims as well, because that is at the lowest ebb in families' lives, and I just think they could make a bit more effort.
So you want them to show more compassion?
Oh, totally. They didn't show much compassion at all. The time they spent on their emails and letters to me, if they just spent a quarter of that time thinking, how can we do this better, it would have been a much better outcome.
And in the end, Cbus said to you, well, you can put in another
a posthumous claim. So they started sending emails again. That was in February 23. I just started looking at it all again, and I seriously, I had to lie down. I thought, I can't do this again. They wanted me to speak to his doctors. There was already a coroner's report that stated clearly what he'd passed away from, and I had all the records for his hospitalisations over the years and everything else, and they wanted me to go back and live through all that again, go and talk to his specialist. I thought, this is awful. This is just torturous. I can't do it. So I had to just let it go then.